I'm accident and personal injury attorney Neil Schaus. When a pedestrian is struck by a motor vehicle, it almost always results in serious injury or death, and the vehicle is usually the party at fault. Pedestrians generally have the right of way, and cars have a duty to watch for them and avoid hitting them. But there are times when the pedestrian may be at fault, or at least partially at fault. This happens most commonly in 3 situations. 1, when the pedestrian is jaywalking or crossing outside of a designated crosswalk. 2, when the pedestrian runs into the street without looking. And 3, when the pedestrian is intoxicated or distracted, such as reading on his or her cell phone, and thus not paying attention to traffic, signals, and rules. Put another way, if the driver could not reasonably have avoided the accident, then the driver might not be at fault. Keep in mind that even if a pedestrian is partially at fault for the accident, he can usually still recover money damages in a lawsuit. It just means that the amount of the damages might be less. If you or a loved one was injured or killed in a pedestrian accident, we invite you to call us at Las Vegas Defense Group. We likely would be able to get you compensation for medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and sometimes even punitive damages.